Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on useful health tips. Sore throat. It's one of those annoying things that can completely ruin your day. It's painful, irritating, and can drain your energy. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some powerful natural remedies to soothe your throat and get you feeling better in no time. First up, an age-old remedy, gargling with tulsi and turmeric water. Take 3 to 4 tulsi leaves, boil them in water, strain it, and mix in some turmeric. Gargle with this warm water 2 to 3 times a day, especially when you start feeling that itch in your throat. Tulsi helps in liquefying phlegm, and turmeric has amazing anti-inflammatory properties. Next up is giloy, a fantastic healer for throat pain and cough. It's anti-inflammatory and works wonders. Simply boil some giloy stems until the water reduces to half, strain, and drink it warm in the morning. This one is a real lifesaver. Now for a powerful herbal concoction. Boil 15 pudina leaves with grated ginger in 2 glasses of water until it reduces to 1 glass. Keep it with you and sip throughout the day. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger work like magic by reducing throat irritation, while pudina and lemongrass act as natural decongestants. Garlic is a natural antiseptic with antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Crush a garlic clove and either chew it raw or suck on it for 2 minutes. If the taste is too strong, add a few drops of honey. Another fantastic remedy for soothing your throat. This one is super easy. Just mix 1/4 teaspoon of dry ginger powder with a spoonful of honey and suck on it. Do this twice a day for at least 3 days, and you'll feel the difference. Did you know sunlight can actually help fight infections? Stand in the morning sun, open your mouth, and let the warmth reach your throat for about 5 minutes. Sunlight boosts immunity and fights inflammation. When the sun isn't available, use a hot water bag on your throat to keep it warm. To heal faster, avoid fried, spicy, and extremely hot foods. Keep your throat moist. Sip warm water every hour to wash away the infection. And there you have it, some amazing home remedies to get rid of a sore throat quickly and naturally. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more health tips. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.